Alright, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to install the Nexus Mods for the Arma server. So, the first thing we're going to do is hop in the Discord and look at the three links we have here under non-workshop mods. We have Project Titanfall Titans, Project Titanfall, and Jams Fall of the Titans. So once you have each of these open, the page will look like this. You'll open the Nexus Mods, which Nexus Mods is a site where people upload a bunch of mods for different games. We're looking at Arma 3, of course. So this is what the page will look like. What you're going to do is click Files, and you'll have main files. Sometimes it'll say old files. Of course, for this mod, we're going to look at main files. And we also need to look at the upload date. This is important because you download the wrong version, you're going to break the game for yourself, you're going to crash, you're going to have issues. So make sure you download the correct version. The date we're looking for the Project Titanfall Titans is September 1st, 2023. So make sure you download this version. I know it can be confusing because you're probably used to like the most recent version being on top. Download this version. It's the one on the bottom. You'll click manual download. You'll click download. You don't need the required file because that's already in the Steam Workshop mod pack, which you should already have installed. You'll click slow download, which it's unfortunate that Nexus has like the subscription based model, so it's going to take a while to install, which is why I'm not going to do it for this little tutorial. So click slow download and you'll start that one. It does it one at a time as well, so again, I'd suggest getting on this now, or at least installing them now, because it's gonna take a while. And you don't want to do it before an op, and you have to wait like 30 or so minutes to install everything. So again, for this one, this is Project Titanfall, which is the next one. What we're looking for is the specific upload date, which is the most recent version, which is August 31st, 2023. Do not download this version, you will have issues. This is the most recent version. Again, click manual download, and you'll follow the same process. With jams, it's a lot easier. Again, description files. This one will only have one file, and you will download this one. Once you have all three downloaded, what you're going to do is go into your downloads, and you will need some form of an extraction program, whether it be WinRAR or 7-zip. I use WinRAR, so I've already extracted them. You're just gonna right click on the file, click extract files. Don't extract them all into one folder. Extract them all separately and have them in your downloads folder. What we're gonna do next is go into our Arma 3 directory. So wherever you have Arma 3 installed, you need to figure that out. The easiest way to figure it out, if you don't know, is to right click on Arma 3, click installed files, and then click browse. It'll open a little folder here, and you can either install it like the mods in your add-ons folder or just in your main directory. I'm just going to install it in my main directory for now. You're going to click on each of them, and it'll have a little @ sign on the folder you want in your directory. So you're going to copy this to Arma 3. It's going to take a little bit because they're big files, as you can see. We'll do this one at a time. So take this one, and then just wait for them to finish. And after that, what we're gonna do is open Arma 3, and I'll show you how to install these local mods, because it's a little bit different from Steam mods. So close these out, open Arma 3. And as you can see, I have all the other mods loaded. I'm gonna unload everything really quick. I'm just gonna unload all. So to install local mods, what you want to do is click local mod. And what you need to do is find your Arma 3 directory. So I just showed you how to find it. Once you found it, go into wherever you installed the mods, As you can see, they're at the top because they have the @ symbol behind them. So what you want to do is not double click on it like this. What you want to do is just click on it and it'll say select folder right here. Once you do that, it'll install it. So I'm just going to click load mod so you can see it here. Again, local mod, go back to Arma 3, click on the mod. Oops, I'm sorry. Click on the mod and click select folder. Now I already have it installed, which is why it's not popping up right now. It'll show up down here. If it doesn't show up there, it's down in your available mods. Just want to get the last one. Again, I already have this one installed, that's why it's not showing up. It should just install for you, like how the other one did. So once you have everything else and the rest of the mods, you can load everything, or you can use the HTML preset. I'll show you guys how to use that really quick. If you come into the server info and look at the Arma 3 launch preset and you download this, I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to go in my downloads. It's going to be right here. It'll show up as a little Chrome icon. It's an HTML document. What you want to do is, again, go into your Arma 3 directory and just drag this file in here. I already have something named Titanfall, which is why it wants to override it. If you don't have anything, it's just going to paste it in there and it should create something. So there you go. You have all the mods. If something isn't in there, like I think the current directory might be not set up properly, what you want to do is just click on the mods that are necessary, which are those two. And you should now have a preset up here. Like I have all my old server presets. You will have one called Titanfall now. And you should be able to just launch the game now. So there you go. You should now have everything ready to join the server.